Hey guys, so today in this series we are going to be doing a cartoon lion. Very cool. Probably the hardest one I've done yet, but I gotta do it. So, well, I don't have to, but my inner creativity is like, come on. But we're going to be doing this as fast as we can and make it just more convenient for you guys. So, let's go into it. This might be a tiny bit hard. Right, I'm going to make the nose kind of small because I'm going to make way for the mane, which will be huge. Okay, shade it with my Art Skills 2B charcoal pencil. Sometime I wish they would sponsor this video. I can't get any good sponsors sponsoring my videos. Hey guys, so like this video if you guys want me to do more of this stuff. That lets me know, and kind of my team of workers, well, just my sister, here know that you guys like this series. And you guys like me, like, drawing lions and stuff like that. So, be sure to like if you like this video, And now, here, let me sharpen my pencil here. It's very dull. Okay. Let me get it in here. Alright. So, let's get started. We got a fresh start here. Very nice. Very precise to draw the little circles and all that. So now, we're actually talking about circles. Let's move on to the circle cheeks. Going to be a little bit smaller to make way for the mane, because the mane is quite huge actually. There, that's actually more symmetrical than the other videos. So now, maybe the harder part, I guess. Well, not quite to the hard part yet. I love how I can get it so good. Angry lion, I guess we should do. Let me see here. Find something here. I need to switch pencils here because this one, the lead kept on breaking. Alright. A deformed eye. Just a little difference can make a little error can make a huge difference. Now, this lion is going to be a very angry lion. A vulture just took his prey. I'm guessing, I don't really know. And you kind of want the eyes uneven. It gives a little more angriness to the animal, like that. See, it would be like a lower degree angle compared to a very steep hill. And so, last touch here. Sure, kind of keep the eyebrows symmetrical. And next, we're getting into the hard part here. Do a Yogi Bear. Do a bear. Okay, I've never actually done a bear, but we could probably fit that into the series now that I know how to do a bear. I just got an idea how to do a bear. Hey guys, this is the voiceover. You should, like, tell me tell me your cartoons. Maybe, share, or, I don't know how we're gonna do this. I might make a comment video. You guys all have maybe like a live session with all the comments sometime. Okay, but now we gotta move on. Extremely huge head. Well, you know, I guess just stick with it. And now, you want to do the mane. Mane is probably a little hard because do a bunch of waves. Then make a couple teeth-like waves. Okay, now this thing is really bugging me, so I'm going to make the eyes bigger. This is going to be so angry, just like the bear. Oh, I mean, I got sidetracked there for a second. Just like the lion, he's angry because a vulture stole his prey that he really wanted for lunch. I really want some lunch right now. Do a heart kind of shape. Definitely better. Oh man. And almost halfway done. And erase the top here. Make a little like hairdo kind of thing. Okay, and now you want to do this big mouth. There. Now go over it a little bit right here. There. We have made a lion angry at the vulture who took his prey. Let me zoom in here. Very, very cool. So, I might do the rest of my videos zoomed in. I'm gonna look at the few other videos and see how I did, but yeah. Very nice. And be sure to check out the rabbit, which I did previously on here. And then the dog, which is super cute. So, dog, rabbit. I like the rabbit. And then, now the tiger. So, hit a like, hit the subscribe, you know. Tell me what stuff you like. And like the series, give the video a like, sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in, well, day 4.